All right, so I think it might be time. Let's see. It might be time to close. Like, I don't know. It might be time. It might be about that time to just say fuck it. It might be about that time to just say fuck it and close. Nah, like markets are shit right now because you're seeing CPI is tomorrow. All that craziness and that kind of stuff news is tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know. Yo, so it might be time to close and just say fuck it, go on with my day. $743,000 equity, $543,000 in profit, and call it a fucking day. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. Yeah, it's just sloppy. It's sloppy. Like I can't deal with it. Oh God. Okay, let's do it. Fuck it. Let's do it. Whoo! Hold on, wait. This last couple candles though. Real quick though. Okay, 550. I say 550. Q always partials. No partials. Hold on, wait. Let me log into my broker account real quick. One second, I need my 2FA. So yeah, this is my account. So like I said, withdrawals. More and more withdrawal. Wait, let's put it a page of 100. So yeah, after I close the trades, I'll make a little withdrawal. These are some past withdrawals right here. 1,000 here, 1,000 there, 167 there, 435 there, 200 there, 300 there, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 880 there, 440 there, 200,000 there, 200,000 there, 200,000, 50,000, 15,000, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 200,000. Yeah, and that's where we're at. You know what I'm saying, with things. But again, let's just see how this goes real quick. Oh, okay. Are y'all ready? Fuck it. Just fuck it, alright? Alright. Oh, no. Alright, it's at 531,000. So, let's do it. Ready? On three. Everybody starts to like count down or some shit. Why $200 withdrawals? Because I'm paying a person. So instead of me sending my own money, I could just send it from my broker account. Boom, $200. All right, ready? One, and equity is 725. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Okay. One. Hold on, wait. Turn on one click trading real quick. Confirm. One position close. Doom. Equity, $724,000. Wait, let's check to make sure, you gotta check if your broker matches too, you know what I'm saying? Here. Refresh. $724,000. $724,000.62. $724,000.62. So now, let's get a couple withdrawals going on real quick though. All right. So, wait. First, internal transfer. Let's trading platform to wallet. 724,000. How much to get back to 150? Okay, let's say I'm gonna withdraw Let's withdraw 500K flat. 500K flat. That's 500K? 500K flat. Request withdraw. Oh no, wait. Watch this. Transfer. Wait. Boom. Here we go. We good, baby. We is good. Then time to just do like, you know, the Bitcoin stuff and that kind of stuff. But that's a whole process. But yeah. Then that, amount to withdraw, this and that, and go from there. Let's fucking do it. Oh wait, I gotta check. What is this at? So now the count is back at 224,000. And call it a day. Oh, good thing I got out. Hold on, wait. I need a fucking a Bitcoin address. 1 second. Hold on, wait. 1 second. Stay on live real quick. Let me get my Bitcoin address. Okay, I got a Bitcoin address. Boom, boom, boom. Amount to withdraw. Okay, from this account, let's say I withdraw 250. I'm gonna withdraw 250 from my actual broker account, but keep 250 inside there just in case, you know what I'm saying? 250 there, boom, withdraw, boom. Always BTC, 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 BTC. No thank you. 250, all right, withdraw, wait. Okay, 1 second. Goes to the confirmation page like this. Bitcoin address, can't show you that. Cool. Bitcoin address is there. $250,000. All right. Withdraw. Success. And from that point, it's now pending. So wait it out and go from there. That's how we fucking make money, baby. Thanks everybody for coming on live. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, whew, yeah, it didn't get in the victory lane, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? A win is a win. A win is a fucking win. That's all that fucking matters. So new record has just been fucking broken. I think it was $525,000. So congrats to myself. Still gonna pop the fucking bottle at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So thanks everybody for coming on, and peace out until next time. Peace, peace.